こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Mumu is going to make garlic miso tofu and cabbage stir fry. This dish is perfect for busy days when you want something quick and easy but packed with flavor. With just tofu and cabbage as the main ingredients, the magic lies in the rich, bold garlic miso sauce that ties it all together. Serve it with a warm bowl of steamed rice. You've got a comforting midweek dinner that's both satisfying and wholesome. Okay, let's get started. First, we will make the garlic miso sauce. In a bowl, place 2 tablespoons of miso paste, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 cloves of grated garlic, and a pinch of chilli flakes. Mix well until the miso paste is completely dissolved. Mumu uses yellow miso paste for this recipe, which has a balanced, slightly nutty flavor. There are 3 main types of miso paste available on the market: yellow miso, white miso, and red miso. White miso is mild and mellow, red miso is bold and umami rich, and yellow miso sits somewhere in between. You can choose a type of miso paste that best suits your taste, as they all work well. Next, let's prepare the ingredients. Cut 250 grams of sweetheart cabbage into chunky pieces. Cut 300 grams of firm tofu into bite-sized blocks. Then lay them on kitchen paper. And gently press with another sheet to remove excess moisture. Remove the paper. Lightly coat both sides with cornflour or potato starch. A tea strainer works well for an even dusting. This coating gives the tofu a lovely little crispiness on the surface and helps it soak up the delicious sauce. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the tofu blocks and fry them until golden on both sides. Once they are ready, transfer them to a plate and set aside. Using the same frying pan, add the cabbage and stir fry briefly for about 2 minutes. It doesn't need to cook fully just yet. Then return the tofu to the frying pan. Pour in the garlic miso sauce and gently toss everything together until well coated and fragrant. Transfer the stir fry to a serving plate and finish with a sprinkle of black pepper. Serve with a bowl of steamed plain rice. できた! Mumu, how does it taste? Okay, Mumu said.The tofu soaks up all that delicious garlicky miso flavor and the cabbage adds just the right crunch. Paired with warm rice, it's a satisfying, comforting dish. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye. またね